I'm going to discuss about how to find path information of Java using command prompt. So opening the command prompt here, and the next is if I write here the path, then you can get the path of all the software that installed in my systems. So it's very difficult to get the where the Java is installed. Okay. So to get only the path of Java, you need to write the command where, and thereafter you can write here where Java. So you can easily get here the version of the Java installs and JDK 11 install, and this is there, bin directory is there, and executor file, and other also has common files Oracle, Java, JavaPath, and Java. So if you are practicing Java, then you need to make sure that this part must be there, JDK must be there. Okay, then you can do some development of Java in your systems. So here you can see Java exe file is there. So with the help of where command, we can easily get the path information of the Java. So while using path, you can see there are so many paths are displaying of the software. But if you want to some particular path, then you can write here Java. After that, you can get the JDK and you can use the JDK anywhere. Okay, so I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.